I think it's wonderful here, and there's a lot of support also from the management and also from this NGO kind of organizations. Like we have Collective Incubator, and I know many people who have worked in the research domain in the academics, and they have started their own companies from based on their research, and the university I think also supports it a lot from the business incubators and the collective incubators, and we also have a lot of shared workspaces now. If you are small, if you don't have a lot of budget to start your own firm, like you can work for free, I think, for in some places based on work on your idea, and there are also a lot of grants that you can get to start of your farm, start of your idea and your business. So I think it's a really good time to be an entrepreneur here in Germany and also in Aachen.
I would say RWTH is one of the best for the startup ecosystem itself, because it has built a lot of amazing startups, and some startups have recently, one startup, Scilab, has raised around 55 million euros, which is not small amount. And I think RWTH has amazing startup ecosystem in terms of support, right from the idea. Even before you have idea, you can get to meet a lot of people and then know what you want to do and then discuss about them. It is so simple to enter into that, but it is also, I would say, exhausting at some point, because you have to manage your studies, do thesis, and then simultaneously work on the startup. It can get a bit exhausting, but it is amazing.